Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'll be sharing with you yet another amazing cake recipe, and because the festive season is going on, I thought why not share with you this almond coconut rose cake, which is super simple to make. It doesn't have maida. So let's get started. First I have taken the milk and added vinegar to it and mix it well. Then I'm going to keep it aside so that it curdles up. Now in another bowl I have taken raw cane sugar. Then I've added butter and I'm going to add oil. Again, you can use any sugar that you like, sugar substitute also. Just mix it very well. If you use jaggery, the cake will become more stickier. So now, after it's creamed very well, then after that, I'm going to add all my dry ingredients. So here, I have taken almond powder, I have taken coconut powder, I have added whole wheat, and then I added cinnamon and cardamom. If you want, you can add some nuts also if you like. And I've used whole wheat flour. You can use maida also if you like, and then mix it really well. After that, I'm going to add the curdled milk little by little and keep mixing it. So once this is mixed really well, you can add 1 tablespoon of your rose water, or you can add a little bit of rose essence, or you can just add 1 tablespoon of water in this batter. So this is what I have done, and now I'm going to mix it till the batter is formed. This batter won't be very liquidy. It's going to be a little on the thicker side. So you can see it just gives you a texture if you're making a laddu. So now I've taken a loaf cake, and then I'm going to add this batter. You can top it up with some almonds, more nuts also if you like. And we are going to bake this at 180 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And because of the oil and butter and sugar, this might get brown golden really fast. So don't worry. And also this is texture, it has a lot of liquid, so you might feel that it's falling from the center, but nothing will happen. It will just, and then you can see how beautiful this cake has turned out. And once it's cooled down, you can see that it's fallen little from the center. That's because of the more proportion of your wet ingredients. Now we are making the saffron. You can make a saffron essence. I've just made a regular yellow glaze. So I've taken butter, I've added icing sugar. I've used soy milk for it, but you can use any other milk that you like. Keep mixing it, and then if you find that the butter has curdled, add a little bit more of the icing sugar, and you can keep mixing it till everything comes together. And I've added yellow color to it. You can add haldi, you can add saffron, whatever it feels like. So now you can see this is how the syrup is, glaze is ready. And you can even add rose essence to it. That's all up to you. If you want, you can add rose water, rose essence to it. So now I'm going to just slightly pour this on my cake and top it up with some rose petals, and your cake will be ready. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to try this recipe. Hope you enjoyed it.